Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do an honest review on the Dji Action 5 Pro that I bought just over a week ago. Mainly all good points, but one major bad point. But I'll go for the good points first. So I had it just over a week. I done one video with it. It was picked up the day by the courier, so I've returned it. So it's a really good camera. Picture quality is amazing. If you look at my last video, it's titled something like Allotment Site Tour. That was filmed with it. So the build quality is good. Lots of features on it. Sturdy. I think it will last for a while. It's got 74GB internal memory. I bought the battery extension handle with it. I also bought the mic with it. All superb quality. But the one major problem was I usually edit all my videos with Microsoft Clipchamp, and I'm no fantastic with it. I've only used it for sort of 6 months or so properly since I started up the channel, so I'm still learning myself, but I've never really had any trouble with it. So I shot the video. That was all good. Looked at it, yep, fantastic. Set up Clipchamp, didn't have what I normally do. Tried to upload the video, it sat in 1% for 3 hours, something like that. Well, normally, the rest of the videos I've filmed with this phone that I'm filming this on, a Galaxy S20 FE I think it is, and they've been fine, but you know, I just thought the camera would be an upgrade, because I'm sort of getting into this YouTube now, and I'm enjoying it. So I've now went back to the phone, because it wouldn't load up to Clipchamp, and then I thought, okay, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. So to use the DJI cameras, you've got to link it to their app, or I think you get 4 or 5 goes, then it'll no work. So a bit of faffing about. I did that. I thought, well, it'll be worth it, because it's a, you know, as I say, it's a really good camera, you know, good quality pictures, or the rest of it. So I did all that. So then I thought, right, they've got editing software on the app, which I wasn't that keen on using, because you've got to do it on your phone. But I thought, right, okay, I'll try it with editing software. So right, I did it with editing software, uploaded it to YouTube. I did it fine with their software, uploaded it to YouTube, and it took more than 30 hours to upload. So I phoned them up, first of all, before I said I was going to return it. That was like 2-3 days ago. Whenever I mentioned I was using Clipchamp, they said, well, it's a third-party software, even though I'd said I tried to use it on their software in their app. So I never found them very helpful. So I says, all right, I'm just going to return it, because I was really frustrated, and I was just running out of patience, to be honest. So that's that. So I sent it back. Maybe there's another way of doing it that I've missed, but I can't see what I've done wrong. The only other thing I can think is the version of Clipchamp I got, it's the free one. I've not paid to upgrade it yet, because I can't see there's a mass difference in the free version and the paid for version. But maybe that's the problem. That's the only other thing I can think of. But anyway, I thought I'd just share that, get it out there. So just be careful if you're going to buy one, because it's, you know, it's a few £100 if you buy the accessories with it. So on that note, I hope you found that helpful. I'm not slating the camera, because the camera was good, but, and I say it could be me, but just be careful. Or if you can think of anything that I've done wrong, you know, drop it in the comments. I'll maybe learn something myself, because like I say, I'm no brilliant, but I've done videos with this phone using Clipchamp, and that's never an issue. Anyway, I'll leave it at that, folks. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.